The next compound formula CH2 double bond CH single bond CHO. An aliphatic unsaturated aldehyde. Aliphatic, a double bond is there, so unsaturated aldehyde, isn't it? Which is called as acrolein or acroaldehyde. So an aliphatic unsaturated aldehyde with 3 carbon atom is called as acrolein. That you have to remember the name. Okay, right. Now we go for IUPAC name. It's a 3 carbon derivative. So prop. There is a double bond, so propene, aldehyde function group, so it is supposed to be called as propenal, isn't it? Whereas double bond is next to second carbon, so prop 2 enal. I write 2 before en, which indicates the position of double bond. Propenal is the IUPAC. Prop 2 enal exactly is the IUPAC name of acrolein. Okay. The next one, another aliphatic unsaturated aldehyde with 4 carbon atoms, CH3, single bond CH, double bond CH, single bond CHO, which is called as croton aldehyde in common system. So IUPAC system, totally 4 carbons are there, and a double bond is next to second carbon, 4 carbon derivative, so double bond is the butene, aldehydic function group, butenal, double bond next between second and third, least number 2, so but 2 enal. So croton aldehyde is called as but 2 enal in IUPAC system. Okay, right. So now look at the next compound, CH2OH, CHOH, single bond CHO, which is called as glyceraldehyde. Actually, it is a oxidized product of glycerol. So glycerol formula CH2OH, CHOH, CH2OH. That is the formula of glycerol. When it is oxidized, one of the primary alkali group getting oxidized to aldehyde group, isn't it? So that you will get this one. So this is an aldehyde what we can get by oxidation of glycerol. So that is called as glyceraldehyde. That is a common name. Whereas in IUPAC name, so we select this as the longest carbon chain. This is a longest carbon chain with 3 carbon atom. I number from function group, so I move in a backward direction. So the longest carbon chain contains 3 carbons, so it's nothing but propanol. These 2 are considered as substituent. These 2 OH groups are considered as substituent. There are 2 hydroxy groups, so dihydroxypropanol. What is this called? Dihydroxypropanol. Whereas hydroxy groups are at carbon number 2 and 3. So that 2, 3 dihydroxypropanol. That is the IUPAC name for glyceraldehyde. Okay, right. Look at the next one. Next one, this is a parental carbon chain. Okay, with 3 carbon atoms. So it's nothing but propionaldehyde. So it looks similar to this compound, isn't it? Only thing, this second carbon, hydrogen of second carbon is getting substituted by OCH3 group. So that's nothing but a propionaldehyde, which has a methoxy group. So methoxypropionaldehyde, methoxy group is attached at alpha carbon. This carbon you can consider as alpha carbon. A carbon which is attached with functional group is generally called as alpha carbon. So there is a methoxy group at alpha carbon in a propionaldehyde compound. So alpha methoxypropionaldehyde, that is common name. Whereas IUPAC name, propionaldehyde is called as propanol, isn't it? As usual, the methoxy group. So methoxypropanol, and the methoxy group is at second carbon. See, while giving symbol alpha, beta, gamma, you have to start from the carbon which is attached with function group. When you give numbering you have to start from the function group carbon itself. So that this carbon gets number 1, this is 2. So that methoxy at second carbon. So it's called 2-methoxypropanol. Okay, right. The next one, an aldehyde with 5 carbon. Aldehyde with 5 carbon, unbranched. So this is nothing but valeraldehyde. What is this called? Valeraldehyde. Okay, right. Then IUPAC name, valeraldehyde is common name. IUPAC name, 5 carbon derivative, so that you can call it as pentanol. What is it called? Pentanol, isn't it? Just like this one, butanol. 4 carbon derivative, unbranched is called butanol. So 5 carbon derivative, unbranched, so it is called as pentanol. Okay, right. So next compound is nothing but an aromatic compound in which there is a benzene ring with CHO group, isn't it? It's nothing but benzaldehyde. I think benzene ring with CHO group is nothing but benzaldehyde, isn't it? Otherwise, it is also called as benzene carbaldehyde. Benzene carbaldehyde. Benzene CHO group, we call it as carbaldehyde. So benzene carbaldehyde salt. Okay, that's common name. IUPAC name benzaldehyde. Otherwise, you can have both benzaldehyde as common as well as IUPAC name, or benzene carbaldehyde, another one. Okay, right. So next one, a benzene ring with 2 CHO groups. Benzene with 2 CHO groups in the adjacent carbon atoms, isn't it? Right. Now, In common system, it is called as thaldehyde. What is this called? Thaldehyde. This is silent. pH is silent. Thaldehyde. Okay, right. Thalic acid is there. There is an acid called thalic acid, a dicarboxylic acid. Instead of CHO group, suppose if we have COH groups, that is COH, this is also COH, that compound can be called as thalic acid. This is an aldehyde derivative, so thaldehyde. Okay, right. Now, it's nothing but a benzene in which there are two aldehyde groups, isn't it? So that this is supposed to be called as benzene dicarbaldehyde. Benzene dicarbaldehyde. When you give number, one aldehyde group is at first carbon, another one at second carbon. So the benzene 1,2 dicarbaldehyde. Benzene 1,2 dicarbaldehyde. That is the IUPAC name of this thaldehyde. Okay, right. So next, look at the next compound. A benzene derivative, benzene with a CHO group and Br. They are in alternate position, isn't it? So that it is a meta derivative. If there are two substituents in alternate carbon in a benzene ring, it's called as meta. Adjacent carbon, ortho. If substituents are in alternate, meta. If they are in opposite, it's called as para derivative. Okay, right. Now, this you are supposed to take it as a parental compound. So benzene with CHO, what do you call? Benzaldehyde. This is considered as substituent. So bromobenzaldehyde. Bromobenzaldehyde. These are in alternate carbon atom. So meta-bromobenzaldehyde. That is the common name of this compound. Meta-bromobenzaldehyde. Right? Okay. While giving IUPAC name, we have to number. So aldehyde carbon give the least number. So that bromine carbon gets number 3. Bromine is at third carbon. So 3-bromobenzaldehyde. 3-bromobenzaldehyde. IUPAC name. Okay. Right. So next one. A benzene with CHO and OH group in adjacent carbon. It's an ortho derivative, isn't it? Okay. Right. Now, actually it's called as salicylaldehyde. What is it? Salicylaldehyde or ortho-salicylaldehyde. You can say even ortho-salicylaldehyde also. Okay, right. Actually, the parental compound is nothing but benzaldehyde. Benzene with CHO is supposed to be considered as a parental compound. OH group substituent. Hydroxybenzaldehyde. While numbering, hydroxycarbon is getting number 2. So 2-hydroxybenzaldehyde. That is the IUPAC name of this ortho-salicylaldehyde. Okay, right. Look at the next compound. CH3, CH. There is a branch OH, CH2, CHO, isn't it?